Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. Today we have a very important saint that you probably have never heard of, and his name is Spyridon of Trimythous. Now, Spyridon of Trimythous was really important, not because of the works that he produced, but actually because of the life that he lived. He was actually at the Council of Nicaea in 325, the first ever ecumenical council of the patristic age. And what Spyridon did was that he was able to use the doctrine of the Trinity against individuals that were academically and philosophically trained, particularly an Arian philosopher. At the Council of Nicaea, there were many people that were debating the issue of Christ's divinity. Spyridon obviously fell on the Athanasian party, the party of Christians that obviously believed in the doctrine of the Trinity. But Spyridon was not known for his academic work, like I said before, but actually because of the miracles that he used to do, particularly one against an Arian philosopher at the Council of Nicaea. As a shepherd, he took a brick, or a potsherd, as some of the traditions have it, and immediately as he took hold of the brick exploded into flames. And then, in order to put out those flames, water came down from the sky. And then, all that was left in his hands was the dust that settled, that was the original clay that made that brick. Now, this is working on ancient understandings of things being composed of earth, water, fire, and air. But the analogy of that miracle that Spyridon did was to show the inseparability of the Trinity. Again, this was not entirely encapsulative at all. But what Spyridon did, which is really important, was to show that in no way could you conceive of the separability of the Father and the Son and the Spirit without falling into some sort of partialist heresy. Now, what was especially important was that after the events of Nicaea, and after he dies in the 340s, he sort of fades out of the historical picture in the 340s, Spyridon has his body found incorrupt, and his body is transferred to Corfu, where you can actually go and visit it in Corfu today, and where many Greek Orthodox Christians venerate his body, and Christians all over the world do so as well. Spyridon is a lesson to everyone that sometimes being academically inclined isn't enough, and in fact sometimes is irrelevant when the practice of the heart is set in a different motion. Spyridon teaches us that actually sometimes a simple shepherd can overcome a philosopher. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.